Welcome to Btekt, this is David. This video is sponsored by Direct Mobiles. Check out their deals at directmobiles.co.uk. If you've been following Btekt, then you know I've been doing my own renders of the imminent P40 Pro. But finally we do have some what seem like official renders of this device, which leave nothing to the imagination. Ice Universe tweeted what looks like an official render showing both the front and the back of the device. Okay, I got some of the details incorrect, but not all of them. Around the back we seem to definitely be getting a pentalens setup, 5 camera lenses. Details about exactly what these cameras are haven't been confirmed, but we do expect a 64 megapixel sensor with a 52 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 16 megapixel telephoto with a periscope style zoom lens, an unspecified video specific sensor, and a time of flight sensor which can accurately gauge distances for flawless subject separations and great portraits. They've also gone with this two-tone finish across the back, as they did with the P40 Pro, and a very similar thing to what you find on Google Pixel handsets. I really like this kind of finish across the back because it eliminates the problem of fingerprints. Sometimes your phone will look so nice when it's clean, but as soon as you touch it, you get it dirty, and it makes you look like you've got dirty hands when really you don't. It's around the front we see some major differences to my old model. There is a rumour that the P40 Pro will have a totally notch-free display and be the first phone to have an under-display camera. Other rumours are saying that the P40 Pro will have a pill-shaped cutout in the top left-hand corner. Now, I'm not a big fan of cutouts of any kind across the screen. I actually much prefer a notch. But if they are going with an under-display camera, I really want to know how much tech they can actually pack underneath the screen. Can they give us a 3D type of face unlock with an under-screen setup? That would be the ideal for me. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it does have an under-display camera, because to me it seems that ever since Huawei have been banned by the US government, it seems like they're going all in with their smartphones and packing them with as much tech as possible. I could be wrong, but for my model I've gone for the under-display camera. It just looks better. If it is a pill-shaped cutout, then for me I really wouldn't mind as long as it has some kind of 3D face unlock inside that cutout. Otherwise, it's just a dead spot on your screen. If they could, it would be the first time we see Face Unlock on a P-series smartphone. It's usually the Mate series that we see proper Face Unlock, and as a result, we always get quite a chunky notch at the top of the screen. For me, Face Unlock or Face ID or whatever you want to call it is the best way of securing your phone, and it gives the best user experience. You very rarely have to type in your PIN, and it will work in total darkness, so I really don't mind having a notch. But if Huawei engineers have managed to squeeze all that tech inside that cutout, then it's okay with me. Another really interesting feature here is the screen itself. It's actually curved on all sides. When Ice Universe posted this tweet, he also posted a picture of one of his older tweets referencing 2020 smartphones having 4-sided curves. Seems like the P40 series will be the first of these phones. Another interesting feature is the corners of the frame around the screen are also raised, presumably to keep the screen off the deck if you place it face down. But the big question mark over this device is the ability to download apps, the basic apps that we all use daily. According to a recent report, Huawei have been working on their own mobile services to rival Google. Safe to say at this point, it probably won't rival Google in the amount of apps that are available, but they are working hard at the moment to produce versions of the top 100 to 150 apps, which will be available to download through Huawei services, which we should definitely see installed in the P40 series. It's unclear right now just exactly how this is going to work, and I think Huawei are going to have a really tough time at convincing people to go with the P40 series, especially after releasing the Mate 30 series with no Google. It's not going to be long until we find out for sure. This device is scheduled for release in early March of 2020. All things considered, it's looking like one truly amazing device, but of course there is the issue about the apps. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. Make sure that you're subbed to Btekt so you don't miss out on the launch and the full reviews of this device as soon as they're available. And of course, if you're looking to find the best deals on this phone or any smartphone really, then the best place to look is the Direct Mobiles website. Here you can compare all of the best deals from all the UK networks, all there on the one website. They also do phone reviews, tips and tricks videos and more. Plus they have over 24 years of award-winning customer service, so you really are in good hands. Check down in the video description below for their link or search directmobiles.co.uk. And whilst you're down in the description, check out the link for our Btekt Amazon shop. All the best tech and accessories which are all recommended by us. It's definitely worth checking out. And that's it from me. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe for more Btekt. Follow me on social media. My name's David, this is Btekt.